taking to the streets to highlight the danger in their homes. Leaseholders caught up in what's become known as the cladding scandal want more help from the UK government. They're concerned for their safety, and the cost of remedial works is enormous.
I call it a constant sort of low-level hum of anxiety because, we're worried about our safety, we're worried about our finances, we're worried about our future. People just can't move on with their lives until this is resolved.
The Grenfell Tower fire of June 2017 showed just how dangerous some cladding and insulation can be. The empty shell stands as a memorial to the 72 people who died and revealed the scale of the problem. In any major city in the UK, you can find buildings that are part of the cladding scandal. But who should pay for the remedial work remains an ongoing argument. The government have made money available to help, but many argue it's not enough, and leaseholders face huge bills to make their homes safe. Steph Pike bought her flat in Bristol a few months after the Grenfell tragedy. Professional surveys reassured her that these flats weren't affected. 2 years later, she discovered some of the cladding was flammable. And then last year, flammable insulation and a lack of other fire safety measures were found. Steph's insurance has doubled. She can't sell, as no mortgage company will lend to people trying to buy homes like hers.
There's so many different people who are responsible, whether it's the builders or the government for failing to regulate properly, or the manufacturers of these products who knew they were flammable, or the building control for signing off a building and not checking that it was compliant. And it seems that all these parties have been negligent in some way, but all of the cost is just being shifted to the innocent leaseholders.
Steph and her neighbours are waiting to find out if they'll qualify for some of the £5 billion, that's $6.9 billion US dollars, the UK government has promised to spend on the problem. And changes to some fire safety rules for smaller buildings should mean mortgage companies are willing to lend to those wanting to buy flats inside them. But for those living in potentially dangerous homes, they want more money and more action to help end the nightmare they find themselves in.